this video, I've brought few questions which were asked in previous year examinations, and this includes all triangles, rectangles as well as squares. So we'll start quickly. The very first question, it is count the number of triangles in the given diagram. So here, see, we have three bigger triangles, 1, 2 and 3. All right, so now you have to count what are the number of smaller triangles which are being given within this. See, they have got horizontal lines. Of course, this might not be a proper horizontal line, but still that this also makes a triangle. So if you take this one, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then if you consider this bigger triangle, 5, 6, 7. Then if you consider this one, 8, 9, 10. So the total number of triangles are 10. So it will hardly take 5 to 6 seconds. So directly we can see 3 triangles, bigger triangles here. Go on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, and then 10. That's it. Okay. Then second question. Again same. What are the number of triangles in a given diagram? So here again same. The first one we'll count it 1, 2, 3. The trick which we had basically applied. So 3 triangles, and then this is the, see, this is the smaller one, this is the bigger one, isn't it? So here we have 3. Here also 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3, 3. After that we have, so 3, 3 is 6. And then we have 7, 8 and 9th. After that we have one triangle here, 10, and one triangle here, 11. So totally there are 11 triangles. Okay. Then next one. See, wherever in whichever possible areas we can apply the trick, we can apply. But like if you leave that, those areas, other areas have to be counted manually. You cannot apply trick at each and every part of the diagram. Next question. So here again, look into the bases. So firstly we'll take this base, and we'll, if you remember, we had solved one question which was quite similar to that. So this question, there also we had taken the bases into consideration and this center point. So here this is making 3 triangles, 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 triangles here. Here also 3 triangles, and here it is 1 triangle. So how many? 3, 3, 6, 7. So 7 triangles. After that, then we'll count the bigger triangles now. See, this is 1 triangle. This is second triangle. And then if you take it this way, this base, this is 1 triangle and this is the second triangle. So 2 here, 2 here. How many it is? 4. All right. See, then lastly 1 triangle. We cannot take this base because there is no line here. And then lastly 1 triangle here. That's it. So totally there are 12 triangles. So moving on to the next question. So here again, very simple question. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. And then we have 1 triangle here. We have 1 triangle here. 2 more triangles. So 3, 3 plus these 2 is 8. So answer will be 8. Next question. See, this at least we know 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is 4 into 2 is 8. This is also 8. See, we have already solved all these questions. So if there is something like this, then 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the highest number, 4. Then 4 into 2 is 8. 8 triangles will be there in this box. So 8, 8. Since there are 2 points, I had told you how many points are common between those 2 boxes. That will be taken into consideration. So 2 points and 2. Okay. Plus. And here there is 1 triangle here. See, this is 1 triangle, and there is 1 more triangle which is common between these 2, this and this, that is this 1 triangle. So 1 and this, so it is again 2. Then moving on to this, here 1 and 2, it is 3. How many bases? 1, 2, 3. Horizontal lines 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So totally how many? 8, 9, 10, 18, 20, 29. So answer is 29. If you know the tricks, then you can easily solve. See, this how we had counted this. If you remember those two tricks I had explained, 1 plus 2 is 3. How many horizontal lines? 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Here this is 8, 8 plus 2. So this is 18. 18, then 9, then these two. That's it. Simple. Similarly, moving on to the next one. Again, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this will be 4 into 2 is 8. And 8, 2 points, that is 2 plus, and then this is 1. So here 8, 10, 18, and then 1 is 19. Done. Okay. So it will hardly take seconds here. Fine. Next we'll move on to the next question. So again, very simple. See, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Here it is 3, here it is 3. How many horizontal lines? 1, 2, 3. Into 3. How many horizontal? 1, 2, 3. Into 3. So 9 plus 9 it is 18 is the answer. Finish. Then, so here it is count the number of squares. Count the number of squares. So how do you count the number of squares? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if it is square, how do you count it? This is 3, 3. 3 square, 9, 2 square, 4, 1 square is 1. And then we have these extra inner squares. So how much it is? 9, 10, 14, 16. So 16 is the answer. Okay. Then moving on to the next one. So here again, see, very simple. Same trick. Here, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Here it is 1 plus 2 is 3. Here it is 1 plus 2 is 3. So how many are there? 3, 3, 3, 9, and then this one single triangle, totally up to 10. Okay. Next one. So again, very simple. The same trick which we had applied previously. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So highest count is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Then 1, 2, 3. So plus 3. How much it is? 19 is the answer. Finish. Then again count the number of squares. Right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. And then see, we'll count only outer squares. Here there are 2 squares. We'll count only this outer square because it is there in all the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So plus 9. And then inner squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 inner squares. So totally it is 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 4 is 22, 23, and then 5 is 28 is the answer. Next question. So here again same. So ignore these 4 outer boxes. We'll only speak about this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square is 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many it is? 9, 10, then 4, 4 is 8. 18 is the answer. Very simple. See, if you know all these tricks, then calculations will be or can be done in hardly seconds. Okay, so now this question, see here again we'll apply the same trick. 1, 2, that is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And now see, if the line was something like this, then we could have counted it 1 plus 2, 3 again. But this is not the line. The line is here, which is not making a triangle on another side. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we have this triangle 4. Then we have this triangle 5. Then we have this triangle 6. Okay. After 6, take it from this side. Here one more triangle 7. Then this triangle 8. And then this triangle is 9. After that, coming to this triangle 10, and then one bigger one is 11. So totally there are 11 triangles. So as I said, you cannot actually apply tricks to all the parts of the diagram. So major areas can be calculated using the tricks. Okay. Then moving on to the next one. So here rectangles. Count the number of rectangles. Fine. So how do we count the rectangles? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in case of square, we count it this way. We usually calculate or multiply the last row number with the last column number. But in case of the rectangles, how do we calculate? We have to count on one side, then count on other side, then multiply the counts on both the sides. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So here it is 10. 1 plus 2, here it is 1 plus 2, here it is 3. Okay, so 10 into 3 is 30. So this we have got. Okay, we have got the, or we have counted the number of rectangles on this. Then we have this. This is 1, 2, and then one whole, that is 3. Okay, then look at there is one, this is the common wall between this box and this box, isn't it? So one more rectangle can be formed here. This is one rectangle, 1, and this is 2. Similarly, 3 and then 4. Okay, so we shall write it here. So after that, there is one rectangle here also, isn't it? One rectangle here also, and then one complete rectangle, outermost rectangle. So 2 more. Totally how many it is? 30 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 4 is 37, plus 2 is 39. 39 is the answer. So we have one more question which is similar to this. So here, see, we'll again apply the same trick. 1, 2, and as a whole it is 3. Okay, 3. See, 1, 2, as a whole it is 3, and then there is 1 here, 4, there is 1, 5, and then 6. After that, see, 1, 2, 3, only we have taken this as a whole. 3, this is 4, 5, 6, and this one whole, 7. Okay, after this, we have 1 here. This is 8. Similarly, after 8, 9, 10, and whole is 11. This is 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, and then 17. Okay, after this, one whole, that is 18, and then we have one rectangle here. This one, we'll take another color. This one, 18, and then this is 19. And then one here, 20, similarly 21, and then whole 22, then 23, and then again 24, as well as similarly, see here one it is making, that is 25. See, if you don't, or if it seems to be confusing, one more simple method of doing this is, see, firstly, it is something like this, isn't it? In that we have it this way, and then this is something like this. Yeah. So this is a general way of counting it. Another method is, see, observe it carefully. 1, 2, and then as a whole 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, after 7, this is 1, 8, and then this is one complete 9, and as a whole it is 10. Okay, so I'll again repeat it. Observe it very, very carefully. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then this is 5, and then 6, 7, this is 8, this is 9, as a whole this is 10. So if there are 10 here, there should be 10 here also. There is no need to count. So 10 plus 10 is 20. This to done. So if the similar diagrams or similar shapes, right? So 10, then definitely 10 will be here. Apart from that, there is 1 here. Extra 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then 1 total, that is 5 plus 5. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5 is 25 is the answer. It's simple. So either you can, if if you're not so sure about this, then you can also go on counting as I counted this. If you're really sure about the tricks, then you can directly go. So this will save a lot of time. So why I counted generally also in a traditional method is also just to give you a difference. So without trick and with trick, how it saves the time. Okay, so these are a few questions which were asked in the recent examinations. Actually, I've picked them from various question papers, state as well as national level examinations. So practice this, and if you find any other diagrams or figures which you could not solve, then please post them in the comment section. We can solve them, so it will be helpful to others also. Okay, so by this we are completing this particular topic, that is counting of figures. I hope it is clear to everyone and everyone is comfortable with solving using these tricks which I've explained. So in the next video, I'll come up with the next topic, that is the blood relations. Guys, please subscribe the channel and please share these videos with your friends also, so that the content provided in the channel should reach as many as possible students, and that should help the students with their needs. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.